Hello, let's talk about the 7 C's of effective communication. These 7 C's are particularly important when you are communicating verbally. It means face-to-face conversation, over the telephone, via Skype, or Zoom. They are equally important while you are communicating in writing, like an email, a memo, a report, a Facebook post, a tweet, a contract, or an assignment at high school or college. In order to make your communication effective, you need to focus on these 7 C's of communication. They play a really important role in making your communications effective, impressive, and powerful. The first C is completeness. It means that you must provide all important information, answer all asked questions, and if required, give some extra information as well. The second C of effective communication is conciseness. Remove the wordy expression from your communication and include only relevant material, that is, the required material. Moreover, avoid unnecessary repetition. Don't use repetitive terms or expressions. Number 3, consideration. Focus on you instead of I or we. Adopt an audience-centered approach. Show audience benefit and highlight positive, pleasant facts. Avoid the negativity. Number 4, concreteness. Use exact facts and figures. Avoid vague, confusing words. And choose vivid, image-building words. Number 5, clarity. Choose accurate, concrete, and familiar words. And construct effective sentences and paragraphs. Number 6, courtesy. You have to be sincerely thoughtful, caring, and appreciative. Use expression that reflects respect and choose unbiased, unprejudiced expressions and words. Now move to the last and 7th C of effective communication, and that is correctness. Use correct language, avoid errors as it creates a bad impression, use accurate figures, facts, and words, and retain while writing the standard writing mechanics. Hope you like this informative video. See you next time with something more informative and knowledgeable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay connected. Take care.